Okay, so we're out here post-storm. This is, what do they call it, Fern? The big one for 2025-26 season. And we're doing something that doesn't probably have to be done right now, but is super helpful to this property. There's a sidewalk on the outside of this parking lot, runs the perimeter like this, and it's gotta get clean at some point. So we figured, why not do it today? This is after the bulk of the storm has come, which illustrates what this is good at in this situation. All of these piles were pushed over here by a big wheel loader and a giant box. So this is all super crusty stuff. This happens to be a sidewalk, but this could be anywhere. Where this would be most useful would be on an entranceway where a road has been plowed and it blocks somebody in, even after their driveway has been plowed or something like that, and you lose access. And typically when that happens, all this stuff is super chunky and it's got a lot of ice chunks and all kinds of buildup in it. You have to hit it with a snowblower, first of all, and that snowblower has to be pretty powerful and have a lot of capacity, which the Ventrac does. So what we're doing is we're working on the back side of these piles to clear out this sidewalk. And there's really no way you could do this with any other piece of equipment that doesn't have a blower this large on the front of it. Even though this stuff is taller than the blower itself, we're just kind of taking chunks of it at a time, and we'll back up, go forward, back up, go forward. It'll let the snow fall in. The only thing that's missing on this blower is the deep snow auger kit, which we could add and it would make this a little bit easier, but at the end of the day, it's gonna work just fine. So this is, again, the exact right setup that you would want if you're going out post-storm to clean up all of those areas that have been pushed in and closed off. Once those have been done with the plow trucks and all of the different parking lot plows, they become incredibly difficult to clean, certainly not possible by hand, and you need something like this to go in and do all of that detail work after the fact. I'm gonna get back to it and we'll just chew through this a couple feet at a time.